Are you experiencing problems logging into PS5 accounts or accessing online services? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check PSN account status. If you are experiencing problems logging into PS5 accounts or accessing online services, ensure your PSN account is active and not suspended or banned. You can visit the My Support page and try to log in to check that. You can also try logging into your PSN account on another device such as the PlayStation app or a web browser. Note any specific error messages you receive when trying to log into PSN. Error codes can provide clues about what might be causing the issue. Method 2. Enable automatic login. When you are having issues logging into your PS5, set your PS5 to log into your profile automatically at startup. To do this, open the settings screen, select User and Accounts, choose Login Settings. Activate the switch next to Login to PS5 automatically. Method 3. Update the console. Next, ensure that the PS5 is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest updated file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Method 4. Check your email. The next thing you should do is check your email inbox and search thoroughly for any PlayStation Verify or similar type of mail. If you get such an email, click the link in the mail to verify your sign-in ID. If you haven't received any such mail, check the spam folder. Make sure you are checking the inbox for the email address that is associated with your account for PlayStation Network. Method 5. Change DNS. The next thing you can do is change the DNS settings. To do that, open PS5 settings, then head to Network. Then select Settings under Network. Now, select Setup Internet Connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then go to Options and select Advanced Settings. Scroll down to DNS Settings. Select it and set it to Manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and then set the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK to save the changes. Method 6. Reset the PS5 console. If the methods shown did not help to fix the issue, you can reset the console and then set it up as new and try to log in. But make sure you take a backup of all your important data, as resetting will delete all the settings and save data on the console. To reset the PS5 console, head to the console settings, then select System. From System Software, go to the Reset options, select Reset your console option. Confirm if prompted and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Method 7. Change the password and recover your account. If you cannot log in to access online PSN services, then visit this link and here you can recover your account, reset password, change password, and there are various other options. If you choose to reset the password, then you will be redirected to this page. Go to the account management page, select Troubles signing in. Now select a preferable option like Recover Account, Create an Account, or Sign in Help. If you want to recover your account, then select the first option. Enter the sign-in ID for your account and select Send Link. Now you should receive a link to recover your account. Open your inbox and open the mail. Then select Recover Your Account option. Then you should get the recovery message. Follow the on-screen prompts to recover your password. Follow as shown. When you will be prompted, enter a new password and recover the account. Now try to sign in with the new password and check. If you are still having trouble, contact PlayStation Support. State your problem and follow the on-screen instructions provided by the experts to fix it. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when you are experiencing problems logging into PS5 accounts or accessing online services. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Check out the description below for links to purchase the tagged products if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.